Neighbor to the right wants me to leave an 18-inch strip of grass because it's his yard. I didn't cut the strip, but shut my blades off and turned on it because this is a hill. He was watching me on his cameras. Wait for it. Here he comes.